Dear student, then today we will study differential equation. Any equation of the form f of x, y, dy, dx is equal to 0 is called a differential equation. For example, d square by dx square plus dy dx minus xy is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. In every differential equation, there are two terms, order and degree. Order of differential equation means how many times you have differentiated the function. For example, this differential equation is of order 2, double derivative, and order 2 d cube y dx cube plus 3y dy dx power 5 plus y is equal to 0. Order of this differential equation is 3. Order is 3. What is degree? Power of highest order derivative is called degree. In this differential equation, degree is 1. And in this differential equation, degree is also 1. Don't see this power. Highest power of highest order is called degree. The degree is 1, order is 3. In this manner you can find order and degree of differential equation, but always remember that degree is not always defined. For example, d square y dx cube dx square power 3 plus x sine of dy dx plus y is equal to 0. Its order is 2, but degree is not defined. Why? Because degree is always occur in a polynomial, and this is not exact polynomial. Here dy dx become input of sine, and sine has no any fixed term. Sine x is equal to x minus x cube upon factorial 3 plus x power 5 upon factorial 5 minus x power 7 upon factorial 7 plus up to infinite terms. Its degree is not defined. It cannot be written as a polynomial of fixed term. It has infinite terms. So therefore, degree of differential equation of such form is not defined. And if take another example, d square y dx square power 3 plus dy dx is equal to y. So here order is 3, order is 2, and degree is 3. So this is order and degree of a differential equation. Thank you. Now we will study solution of differential equation. In your course there are 3 types of differential equation. One is variable separable, another is homogeneous, third is linear differential equation. Now we will study solution of homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation means sum of powers of x, y in all terms are always same. Here 2 power of x, 1 power of x, 1 power of y become 2 power. Combined power of x and y in each term will be same. 2 power of x, 0 power of y, combined power 2. 1 power of x, 1 power of y, combined power is 2. 2 power y, 0 power x, combined power 2. If combined power of x and y in each term is same, fixed, then that differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation. If someone think that there is no dividers in such equation, then you can divide whole equation by dx. 0 by dx become 0. This dx disappear. You will receive dy dx. So this is also a form of differential equation where dy dx is not clearly written but multiplied by dx throughout. So this is homogeneous differential equation in which combined power of x, y is always constant in each term. In solution of such type, we always put let y is equal to bx. After differentiation, it gives dy is equal to v dx plus x dv, product rule. Apply here product rule. If someone face problem in this, you can write same thing as such. Y is equal to vx implies dy dx is equal to d dx of vx. Y is equal to vx implies dy dx is equal to d dx of vx. This implies dy dx is equal to, apply here product rule, first function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. This implies dy dx is equal to v. dx become cancelled plus x dv dx. Now multiply both sides by dx. dx become cancelled, v dx become cancelled. This become dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. Therefore, remember only this. If y is equal to vx, then dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. Similarly, if you write some other question, x is equal to Vy, then this implies dx is equal to V dy plus y dv. Product rule. So here we cannot write x is equal to Vy. We use y is equal to Vx. In next question, we will explain when we use x is equal to Vy. So put y is equal to Vx and dy is equal to V dx plus x dv. This implies x square minus 2x into Vx. In place of y, we will write Vx. Into, in place of dy, we will write V dx plus x dv plus x square minus 3x Vx plus 2 V square x square dx is equal to 0. Now take x square common from all terms. X square, x square, x square, x square, x square. X square become common and goes to right side below 0. This implies 1 minus x square cancelled, x square cancelled, 1 minus 2v into V dx plus x dv plus x square become common 1 minus 3v plus 2v square dx is equal to 0. Remember that if any bracket parenthesis contains only one variable, function of one variable, never open that bracket. This bracket contains two variables x and v. Therefore, we will open this, but never open this bracket or this bracket. Now, this equation is of the form variable separable. First form is variable separable, second is homogeneous, third is linear. So we started from homogeneous because this is variable separable. In homogeneous, variable separable is next step. Therefore, we started homogeneous. Now this is variable separable. How? This becomes 1 minus 2v into v dx plus x into 1 minus 2v dv 1 minus 2v into v dx plus x 1 minus 2vd. Distribute this in this bracket plus 1 minus 3v plus 2v square dx is equal to 0. This implies here is dx, here is dx, take dx common. You will get multiply this v minus 2v square, v minus 2v square. Now this plus 1 minus 3v plus 2v square plus x into 1 minus 2v dv is equal to 0. This implies dx minus 2v square plus 2v square become cancelled. It become 1 minus v minus 3v, 1 minus 2v plus x into 1 minus 2v dv is equal to 0. This implies minus dx upon x is equal to simply dv. 1 minus 2v become common, goes to right portion, in denominator of 0. 0 by anything become 0. So dv remains here, this dx goes to another side, then x goes in denominator. This implies minus log x is equal to v. Integration of 1 becomes v. Now this implies minus log x is equal to y by x, value of v. Y is equal to vx implies v is equal to y by x. This is your solution. Add also here plus c. This implies y by x plus log x is equal to c. This is your final answer. Now we will describe one question also in homogeneous, then you will solve questions from homogeneous differential equation. Thank you very much.